going on, everyone? Trying something different today. It's my birthday. Won't be my birthday when you're watching this, but thought I'd just come out and do some fun fishing. So put the fly rod, got pink salmon in the river, in the Buskin River today. I'm a lousy fly fisherman, but I come out here and give it a try. Not have to worry about catching fish to take home and feed the family, or worrying about getting a big fish. It's all about just having some fun. So, beautiful day. Weather's been lousy lately, but enough talking. Let's do some catching.
For those of you not familiar with Alaska's 5 species of salmon, the pink salmon, or humpy, which I'm after today, is Alaska's most plentiful and smallest of the 5 species. While they can be dime bright and pretty decent table fare out in the saltwater, once they hit that fresh water, the quality of the flesh seems to go way down and they're more of a fun fish.
Finally. Well, these fish might not be good to eat, but they sure are fun to catch. Been over a year since I hooked something on the fly rod. This is a little different than what I'm used to. Using a 8-weight G Loomis.
Those of you who've been watching my channel, I'm always striving to improve the quality of my videos and my content, so if you could leave me a comment, just what you like, what you don't like, what you'd like to see different, it'd really help the channel out a lot, and I'd really appreciate it. Thanks. I grew up fishing in the Pacific Northwest, Oregon, Washington, Idaho, most of my teen and early adult life, and something very unique about Kodiak fishing, where you always have to have your head on a swivel, always on high alert for the many Kodiak brown bear.
These fish are so strong in this current. Oh, pulled off.
we've had nothing but rain for about the last week in Kodiak. And the water's way up. Current's blowing quite a bit stronger than normal. In fact, the spot where I'm fishing is usually out of the water. Showed up to fish and realized that I probably should have brought some waders. Didn't have any, but can't let something like that stop you. Just jump in and start fishing.
Nice little hen pink salmon. Fortunately, foul hook.
Oh, so powerful. This one in the tail. It's a sockeye. Mr. Sockeye. Beautiful hen sockeye, colored up. Threw back to do her thing. There's one. Oh yeah. Oh, so much fun on a fly rod. pink. Off she goes. Too much fun.
As always, thanks for watching along. And if fishing in Alaska is something that interests you, think about possibly subscribing. Really helps the channel out. Catch you on the next episode.